That's Patch. So we have this amber glow. My dawn to dusk lights are yellow. They're supposed to cut down on bugs. I don't know if that really works or not, but anyway, they came on. But we just had the most spectacular storm I had to share. Got a warning about, well, going on 2. And it said you're gonna be in for it. Major thunderstorm, could be damage, da-da-da. And I thought, okay, just another storm. But it started getting rather exciting. And I grabbed the camera and came out. So this is going to be a video of the storm from my porch. Take a look. Okay, just FYI, I am shooting at 6400 at ISO at a 40th shutter speed and 5 or 4.5 aperture. So this is how dark it is right now at 3:30. I just turned off the dawn to dusk lights so you can get an idea of how sucked in this storm is. That it has dropped down the light that much. So I just wanted to catch you up on what's going on. I was so busy over the holiday weekend. You know, I was in Smithville for the Jamboree. I was in Spring Hill the next day, which is for my cousin's 5th annual July 4th party. And then on Sunday, my friend, my new friend here said, hey, come on down to the fair. We're gonna give some speeches, and then we rode the Ferris wheel. And that was July 4th and Monday, and then Tuesday I had I can't remember what I did Tuesday. Wednesday I had the luncheon, and my friend Lynn invited me to that. I got to meet all these owners of these Century farms, farm owners, one with my same last name. I thought the storm left. Wow. And then my friend Lynn spent the night with me because she lived kind of down the freeway, and so she had to be nearby today. And then I said to my helper Randy, I said, you've got to come help me this morning. And he's coming back tomorrow morning, and basically we're just beating back the weeds. The weeds have taken over. The corn, some of the corn is about that high. You can't see my hand. That high? 1.5 foot, some of it, not all of it. The transplanted ones are still small. We've got purple hull peas in various stages. The heirloom peas that my uncle gave me, the wild goose peas, almost all of them came up. Unbelievable. And almost all of the peanuts came up, which is unbelievable. Because I didn't have 2 to put in each spot and then thin it. I just had 1 every 8 inches. And then the cotton, I had about 10 seeds probably, or 12. And in that packet, and I'd say I have about between 6 and 8 came up. So we'll see. A lot going on down there. The tomatoes needed a lot of support. The regular potatoes that were planted down there haven't come up. So I look forward to giving you an update soon. It's just that we worked all morning. I came in and got cleaned up, got a little caught up on the news, and then the storm hit. So I said I have to share the storm. This was pretty amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. I'm going to share events like this when I can, and I'm also going to start doing more targeted videos. And my son Walker is coming tomorrow. He's driving over from Asheville with Fred. You saw Fred in my Christmas video with them when they visited. He's coming with just Fred, and Fred is a red golden retriever, very well trained. So that will be interesting. And so I won't be able to film tomorrow or Saturday. He's leaving on Sunday. I'm going to try to go see my mother. I haven't seen her since the day of my sister's funeral. So all that's coming up. So I just wanted to get this quick video out because otherwise it'll be a whole week before you see a video from me. So I hope you look forward to that. Check the bell for notifications, scroll down and click all so you won't miss anything right here on the homestead. I'm Kay, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.